Sick of looking at the same old screen?
Boring displays?
Now there's an alternative on FreeBSD.
Rainbow colours!
Keep watching and we'll show you how to.
FreeBSD reviews, tutorials and gaming.
We'll be using lolcat. And to install it, you need to go pkg install rubygem-lolcat. And to use it, whatever you need to be colorized has to be piped through lolcat. So in this instance, we're using top. If you type in top, then pipe, and then lolcat, the display is colorized. And it's that simple. Other things that you're relying on in the terminal, you can also do the same thing. Then we'll also try a favorite of mine, which is a recreation of the matrix display. And this can be installed by pkg install cmatrix. As you can see, that's pretty cool. It's all in green, but let's colorize it up using lolcat. So cmatrix, pipe through lolcat. And you get a nice rainbow display. I think that's actually pretty cool. And as a final example, you have the bog standard H-top, but then when we give it the lolcat treatment, it's a lot nicer. So yeah, that was just a little example of a little bit of fun you can have in the terminal. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.